Good morning, children. I hope you are enjoying the virtual classes and the live classes. Yes. Now let's start today our LR chapter, chapter 1, the family pets contest. You all have your books now. The literary reader book which you have of the MCB part, one is MCB the main course book, one is the workbook, and the third one is the literary reader book. In that, chapter 1, the family pets contest. Extremely interesting chapter, a very easy chapter. By the name of the chapter, you can understand, as there are various competitions going on. We always enjoy the various competitions, fancy dress, art, drawing, art competition, drawing, music, sports, or any other competition. This is a pets competition. You know what are pets? Are small animals or animals which we keep at home as our pets. It can be a dog, it can be a cat, a fish, it can be rabbit, it can be a mouse, it can be a small horse, a pony. Yes, it can be a parrot, it can be any other bird, it can be maybe a squirrel at times. So any such, in the many times people rich like kings and queens, they used to keep elephants as their pets. So many different varied animals kept as pets. In this chapter, we have been told about a pets competition, how the various people were having their pets. You can see in the picture on the second page that the pets are all sitting on the chairs, and their caretakers, maybe a boy, girl, or a lady, or a man, they all are standing nearby. You can see in the picture there are various types of pets: cat, dog. Generally, most of them are dogs and cats. There are rabbits, there is a turtle, there is a parrot, there is a mouse, and varied such things. Yes. Now, in this, we have been seeing that how the judge has come, and the judge is the narrator of the story, and the judge says that how he is looking at the various different animals, small and big, and he tries to talk to them personally how they are taking care of their pets, whether they know what the pet needs and how to take care, how to go to a veterinary doctor, when to go, what all is the food habits of that particular pet, and all such things. How much even the caretaker is taking care of the neatness of the surroundings where they are keeping their pets. All such things are there written as you go around the story about the lesson. You have I'll be also giving you, and you will see the whole chapter being read word by word. You please listen carefully, open your book, and when the chapter is being read in my video, please read along the chapter. Correct? You have the difficult words and the meanings, you can go through it. It is not difficult at all. Correct? Now, as the judge goes about and talks to the various people how they are keeping their pets, he understands some are keeping them in an extremely careful manner. Some of them know about their pets very nicely. They know what are their eating habits, what are their sleeping habits, when do they fall sick, what are their actions which tell us that they are not well or they need something. Each and everything in detail about the pets. Also, the spectators of the competition, they feel that the result should be in a particular order, that a particular pet should come first, second, and third. But when the judge, who is the narrator, looks about on all the various pets, one or two caretakers also try to, they try to impress the judge so that the judge may give may make them first in their, in the judge may give the result in their ways, in their opinions and all. But because the judge is sitting at a position where there cannot be any cheating, there cannot be any biased feeling, right? If you are a judge, you cannot feel in your mind that because this person is known to me, I may make him first. No. What is the one who is really capable of becoming first? We always, as a judge, we always try to make that person first. So, in the same manner, this judge also, though some other many caretakers try to change his mind, but he does not change his mind, and he makes the goldfish boy, the boy which was having who was having the goldfish in a pot in clean water, makes him first. Why? Because when he talks to the boy, the little boy, the young boy knows each and every detail about the fish. How is the fish? What types of fishes are there? What does the fish eat? When does the fish fall sick? And if it falls sick, how it is to be taken care? How the water of the the bowl is changed regularly? How food is being given to the fish inside the water? Each and everything. So the narrator, who is the judge, gets very much impressed by this young boy, and he makes him first. Everyone gets shocked. They do not like the judge. They feel that because the boy was the son of a mayor, so maybe that was the reason why he's made them first. But actually he did not. This was no such reason. The only reason was that the boy appeared to be the most capable caretaker in the whole group of these competitors. So basically we learn one thing, that there should be no cheating in our decisions. We should be always fair and just in our all our final results. We should always take care. Who is the most appropriate should always be awarded and should be prized. Correct? Now please go through the chapter very nicely. In your assignment section, I will give you the question and answers. You all have your books. Now no need to copy the questions. You can just write the name of the chapter, question number, and write the answers, as I will be giving you in your assignment section the answers. Then you please note down all the answers in your copy. Correct? Any other queries, any questions, you can either put it in the comment box, or when we will meet in our next live class, you can just ask your questions. Correct? Okay? So take care.